how to activate the new Google AI Pro plan that's on promotion with the purchase of the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Some people are already having trouble activating it, so I'll show you right away how to do it. Let's open the Google One app. Just to clarify, I already have a 1-year trial of the AI Pro plan active, which I got after purchasing last year's Google Pixel 9 Pro, and I still have 2 months left on that plan. But I'll sacrifice those for you by activating the new year today, which I'll get as a promotion with the purchase of the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Let's go into the Google One application, then proceed to its settings. From there, navigate into the settings once more, and you will clearly see there's an option specifically called Check for Offers. Indeed, here it is, prominently displayed, Check for Offers. Simply tap on this option, and your Pixel device will then diligently check and subsequently show you the available offer. Let's go ahead and activate this particular offer as well to see if everything works properly as expected. A 12-month trial. Starting from August 2026, I'll begin paying, so I'd say everything is set. Credit card details are indeed required for this process. However, it is important to note that no actual charge will be made at this time. Let's proceed to change the payment card on file, or perhaps it would be more convenient to simply use PayPal instead. It is always definitively confirmed that this is indeed a completely free promotion, so for a full 12 months we should absolutely subscribe to this excellent offer. Perfect, the payment has been successfully processed. It then asks if we always want to use secure authentication for all future purchases. I'd definitely say yes to that. A backup payment method is not strictly necessary. Here it is. The promotion is now active. We're all completely set. If you can't do it or can't find it here, where else can you look? You can easily check in Gemini. Just simply tap on your personal icon. Instead of the Manage Subscription option, the very first item you'll clearly see is Upgrade to Gemini Pro. Tap on it and you should be able to activate the promotion. According to Google's official guide, another important place you can check is the subscription section within the Play Store application, so please check there as well. If you're still having issues, write to me in the comments, and please don't forget to leave a like and follow my channel. Hello from your go-to Google product expert, Antonio Camerino. Thank you all.